Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to verify Twitter account. It's very simple process. If you are eligible to qualify and you are providing genuine information, so you can receive the blue stick. It's very simple, no need to ask anyone. You can do very easily using my tips and tricks. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here the Twitter account in the laptop screen. You can do same process of mobile screen also, but I am not comfortable to do is a mobile screen. That point of view I use in laptop screen, and here my profile related informations are available. If you are not following me Twitter, so you can follow me here also. And then here some of the basic tabs are available. You click here in the more. Inside the more, some several options are come. You just simply click here setting and privacy. Inside the setting and privacy, again some of the options are available, but you just simply click here in the your account, and your account here, first option select here account information. Inside the account information, your all account informations are available, your date of birth, gender, language, so and so. So here fourth number options are come verify, and boom, look at this here verify. You need to verify first of all. As a verification point of view, currently they are not providing here this option, but last month this options are coming here. Learn more, how to get verification blue tick. Click here, related informations are available here. You want to verify, learn more about the following verification code, requirement verification. Click here authenticate malware activation, which one you want. Select here icon setting a support. You just provide the which category you want verification code. You just follow this instruction. You receive some of the information and you just follow this information and very easily verify your Twitter account and receive blue stick. It's very simple tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.